See, it's an absolute honor to be the president of the world's finest board, cricketing board, and it's at the same time it's a huge responsibility as well. And I give my assurance that I'll be committed to do it to the best of my abilities and dedication and passion.
Bhadralbhai, you have got a huge experience in domestic cricket. So, what your aspiration is, like, how to improve domestic cricket even further so that India can be benefited out of it?
See, we've got a lot of things in our mind. In times to come, you'll get to know about it.
And sir, that JKC experience will help you. The fact that you were handling cricket operations as part of the committee, handling JKC. So that experience will obviously help you in.
Of course, it will help.
Manas sir, how do you see it as a challenge to be a chief of the BCCI and the richest cricketing body?
See, like I said, it's a huge responsibility. It is the best board in the world, and we've got the best of the players, best of the facility, and we've got the support of millions of people behind us.
So what
and
do
being
you
a
think
farmer,
help you to become the president?
Maybe my work, my credentials.
Credentials as a domestic cricketer or
Of course, I did administrator as a cricketer as well. For the past 4 years, I've been working with JNK Cricket Association, and we have qualified for 7 times in the knockout stage. So this hasn't been done in the history of JNK.
Do you have any agenda as a president?
No, there's no such agenda. The only agenda is development and take BCCI forward, Indian cricket forward. Thank you.
anything that
Thank you.